The online template submission is only an option for curved radiators. If you require an angled radiator, then you must post a paper template to Shiv Radiators. Here's how you can make a paper template. You will need lining paper or wallpaper, a marker pen, a Stanley knife, and some masking tape. Lay the piece of lining paper onto the floor against the bay area. Fold in the overlapped edges onto the skirting board or the wall. Tape down the paper to the floor at either ends to ensure it does not move around. Using a sharp Stanley knife, carefully cut the paper around the bay area from one end to the other. You should be left with the same shape as the bay. Ensure you have an accurate cutout. Using a thick marker pen, write your name, postal address, contact number, the radiator length, height and the brand of the radiator you desire. Please also state the fabrication you require, such as curved, angled or angled with top grille. You must also write where the template was taken from, either wall or skirting board. If it was taken against the skirting board, then please write the approximate thickness of the board. Fold the sheet of paper into halves in order for it to fit into a large enough envelope. Then simply write the delivery destination and post out to Shiv Radiators Limited, 232 Headstone Lane, Harrow, HA2 6LY. Once we receive your template, we will contact you within 24 hours to discuss your order. Shiv Radiators, specialists in bay window radiators, tailoring radiators to your needs.